I think I'm in frame. I just had to get on this camera real quick. Because my hair looks good. And I got home from work like, I don't know, 2 hours ago. Just trying to get closer to my counter. Okay, so there's a taco stand that is right in front of a grocery store that's near my house. And on Taco Tuesdays, they do tacos for $1.50. I usually don't gatekeep, but I'm gonna gatekeep this one just for my safety. So that's what we have right now. I got 3 chicken tacos for $4.50. And then I went to that grocery store and got a tamarindo jarrito for $1.50. So I'm eating dinner for $6 right now. It is 11:36 p.m. on a Tuesday. And I'm gonna be up for a while. I gotta retwist my hair. I gotta do yin yoga. I gotta take off my face, which is just foundation, eyeliner, and yeah, that's it. And rose water. Yeah, enjoy this mukbang. First, we gotta say grace. Amen. Boom, bada bing, bada boom. Okay, here we go. I got some green sauce on here, some cilantro, some onion, and some lime. Yeah. Moving to California has really made me a lover of tacos. Like, these are unmatched, okay? No offense, I love my city, but Boston tacos could never. Oh, shit.